Cobra HMA here. We're back in the garage, and now we're going to do a 2004 Honda Foreman S oil change. Well, basically four-wheel drive. Got it up here on my lift here. So basically, you want to do is you want to undo that plug right there. That's where your oil filter is on your right-hand side of your machine. You guys can see that right there. You got three 8mm little bolts there. You guys want the part? There it is, right there. Kind of hard to see. It's a KN113. There's all different manufacturers out there. It just happened to be the one I grabbed. I got like 6 over there. Yeah, little tiny guy, just like that. Nothing crazy. Make it tiny compared to the other filters. Right. So you want to take this guy out. Right. There. And obviously you want to bring your oil pan over, because that is going to leak oil out of it. So what you have to do is be very careful, because inside of this piece there's actually a spring. Okay, I'll show you what I mean. The lighting is sucky. Change this lighting to the top. You want to just hold that in with your hand. Alright. And obviously, you guys know you start up the engine first, or you see how she's coming right out. And that's why I put that oil pan right under there. Anyway, just pull it out slow. Make sure you don't want to drop that. There's your filter there. Very easy. Hopefully the video's clear enough. Alright, so as you can see, that's exactly how the spring goes. So we're going to take that out so you can see. See if I can get a good angle. No matter what angle I get, I can't get light on that damn thing. Anyway, I'm going to slowly pull that out. Alright. Pull that out. Get that light on there for you too. There it is there. You see that right there? There's that little spring right there. Make sure you don't lose that. You want to put that back in there. So you want to put the little rubber piece facing out. Okay. What I usually do is just grab a little oil. I put it on there. Nothing complicated. Just a little spring. All right. I just try to clean it because get all this crap out of there. Yeah, just pop it right back in there. Kind of almost hangs in there. Be careful you don't lose it in your oil. And also like to clean that, the cover. Like I said, it should take you about 15 minutes. It depends how much you care about the machine and how clean you want to keep it. Like I said, I like to keep it as clean as possible. Yeah, get it nice and clean there. Alright, so remember, put the rubber piece facing out towards you. metal inside. It goes right on that spring. Just kind of make sure you have it in the center. And then basically just slap it up on there like that. That's it. Really not that complicated. But I know this video might help some people that are a little worried about it. And this will do the trick. I try to change my oil every 500 miles. But lately I've been doing it more, around 400. The reason being is it just kind of cleans it out a little more. Every time, the more frequent you do it, the more clean and golden that oil stays. Right. So as you'll feel a little pressure on that plate there, and that's what you want. You want that filter to sit inside there. Like I said, you want to go gentle, tighten it. You don't want to go flying in, right? Just get it snug, get them all the way up first. Right. Just a little. Lost my socket there. Once you got them all in place, now you can get a little ratchet loving. Times certain guns are just big. Alright, so you got your oil filter in. You got to put your plug back in. And I put 2.3 quarts of oil. And that'll fill her up. I always like to check, hand tighten everything. Nice and snug. Nice and snug. Nice and snug. Okay. I guess that doesn't need much. 11/16 bolt back. Alright, everybody. I said, we'll just get up in there and see. Snug it up, nothing crazy. I use W40 high mileage, full synthetic. You guys can see that should work just fine. I marked my bottle right there, and I put 2.3, 2 quarts, 2.3 quarts. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but right there past the thread, there you go. I'd like to be better on that. That way you can screw it in good. So, correction, put the rubber seal on there, on your dipstick. That way the thread doesn't chew at it. Oh, my hands are so greasy. Very oily. Something there. Alright guys, and that's pretty much it.